Hello friends, let's solve another LeetCode problem. Its largest number. So we'll be given a few numbers in a list. We'll have to print the largest number possible out of those two numbers. For example, we in the given list we have 10 and 2. So using 10 and 2, we can make either 102 or 210. Out of these two number, 210 is the largest one. Hence, that is the answer. So let's start. So to solve this, what we'll do is we'll create a comparer method. Uh, since in LeetCode we'll have to write a solution inside this method, and we in Python we can write the method within. We can define a function within a function. So we can define the function within the given function. Let's take a function def compare xy. So x and y are the two numbers which we'll be comparing. Let's take a variable a. So and uh, since we are generating the number out of these two number, if we are pressing, if we are like appending the numbers, say 10 and 2, we are getting 102, and on the other hand we are getting like on the reverse case we are getting 210. So if you'll notice, when we are generating 102, we are using we have a single digit, hence we are using 10 power 1 for the first number plus the second number. So we'll use x into 10 power length of. Since integer don't have a length, we'll convert the y to string and get its length plus y. So this will be our one number, and we'll have our another number, just the reverse, which will be, we'll start with y and we'll take the length of x and we'll append x. We have two numbers. Let's print them for debugging purpose and return a minus b. So as you can see, in ideally in compare function, it gives three results, either minus, 0, or plus. So when the result is plus, that means one number is greater than the other number. If the result is minus, the second number is greater than the first number, and when it's 0, that means both the numbers are same. And we'll start our main method here. Our main method, we have a norms list. What we'll do is we'll create another list. Say data list equals to sorted. We'll take the norms list, and we'll use key. We have a special function that is under func tool. So we'll import that special function cmp to underscore key, and we'll pass our compare method. So on the regular case, and we have the data list. Now we'll create the result in a string. To create the result in string, we need to again use map function or list iterator or list comprehension. Since all the data are in integer, we need to convert them to string before we can join append them to a string, or we can directly run a loop. Let's take a result variable, result equals to empty for I in data list. Our data list is sorted, and we'll append all the results into this one. We'll convert the integers to string, add the loop, will return result. So here, if you'll notice, we are simply using the compare method. By default, will get the numbers in ascending. Uh, we also have a reverse flag. So if we'll use reverse false, which is the default value of reverse, so we'll get in ascending order. If we'll use reverse true, we'll get in descending order. Means the larger number would be on the first based on our compare method. So let's run our test cases. It's 10-2, output is 210, expected output is 210, and you can see the print statement that we used for debug purpose. We are getting both the number 102 and 210. Let's switch to case 2. Here we have multiple numbers 3, 30, 34, 5, 9, and we are getting the expected output 9534330, and I've created a test case from case 2 based on these two numbers 3 and 30. So in 3 and 30 we have 330 and 303, 330 and 303, and comparing both the two we are getting the max number as 330. Hence we are getting our output and expected output. Thank you for watching.